just waiting to go live. I think we are live, almost there. I
Yeah,
mean,
we are
very good
live.
evening. Very good evening to everyone who's watching us today. I think a lot of people are surprised not to see Glancy from the Step Up Consultants here, but I think all of the guys at Step Up Consultant asked me to appear for this Q&A with our Instagram star Priyanka Ben. She is with us today, and the best part is that they believe that I have also have some little bit social media knowledge skills, and I would be good position to maybe discuss a few questions with her. So let's give a warm welcome to Priyanka Ben. She's a lifestyle and a beauty blogger from Kolkata, and she has more than 37,000 followers on Instagram. 37,000. Yeah, please mind the numbers. And she's also very popular on Facebook, TikTok, as well as she has a YouTube channel. So please welcome Priyanka Ben. And Priyanka, all the very, welcome from our side. What are your initial thoughts about social media as a career for people?
So, firstly, thank you so much for having me. I'm so glad that you are doing this because during this lockdown, people are bored first of all, and we don't have much work to do. So I've been doing this live session with other people too, and it really helps. And it really helps your audience to understand you and your work, and that is really great. And to your audience, I wanna say, I hope you guys are safe and healthy. Stay at home. This is a tough situation. This will pass. So think so. Let's get started with the influencing thing. So what
Okay,
you
cool,
asked?
Priyanka. Yeah. Some of the questions some of the viewers also had in their minds. They were like, "Is it Instagram influencer role? Is it a real job?" I mean, sometimes people say, "Does it really make money?" So, what would you like to give our viewers? Is it a real career?
So yeah. First of all, I need to ask you, whoever is willing to become an influencer, what do you want to become actually? There are so many platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and so many things. So there are terms like social media influencer, and there is a term called blogger. So you need to understand what you want to become, and then find your genre. A genre means there are lots of genre. You can be a food blogger. You can talk about food, all street food or any kind of food. You can be a beauty blogger. You can do beauty stuff, makeup, and all. And this is for men, women, both of them. Men can also talk about men beauty grooming products, and there are so many things. And women, obviously, skincare and makeup. And there's this fashion, and then lifestyle is called, in daily life, we all are fashionable, very fashionable. We are very much uh, influenced by all the things we see. Celebrities are doing this kind of makeup, we want to do it. So it's all about life. So my basic thing, my basic place is lifestyle. I talk about food, sometimes I talk about beauty. So you need to understand your genre first. When I started, I started as a fashion blogger. I have my blog on WordPress, and I am not that much active on there because when I started doing it as a blogger, so I wrote a blog, and that blog didn't did well. So no one actually watched it or read it. So I thought of doing the Instagram thing because people are watching it and people were liking my styles. There are some teenage girls. They're always wearing dresses like me, or wherever I'm doing makeup, they're recreating the makeup, tagging me. So that's how I thought I should do this. I should do this like this. So I started last year. It's been 1 year I'm doing this, and I was a student when I started this. I had not much knowledge about it. So right now I have so much knowledge about it. And you asked, is it can be a profession? Yes, of course. You can earn a tons of money from it, like a tons. There are so many bloggers, they have blue tick in Instagram, and they are doing so many things. What I told you, the lifestyle thing. You can talk about fashion, food, beauty, everything. So because influencer is someone, we inspire people like that. We tell them we are one of you guys. We are not that big kind of thing. If I can do it, you can do it too. And this social media thing is very much popular right now. I'll give you one example. See, you are watching an ad on TV. Kareena Kapoor Khan is selling Lux. She is telling that, I use Lux and that is why my skin is so soft. Will you believe her? You won't believe that you will get a skin like Kareena Kapoor Khan by using just Lux. But
Agree.
if an influencer says, I use this product, check out my face without makeup, I applied it, then check out my face, of course people will believe her much more than that, right? So that is why social media thing is very much popular, and brands are like, there is a thing called social media marketing. Brands are doing their marketing from us. We have a platform. I have 37K followers, and there are people have 100K, 200K. So we are reachable to normal people because
Okay.
we all have phones in our hand. We don't even watch TV anymore. I don't watch TV. So
Me too.
yeah, that is why this thing is popular, and actually you can earn money from that because the brand is telling you to promote their product. Of course the
Okay.
brands are getting benefits from you, and of
True.
course you will charge them that I'm promoting you. I have this much followers. People will like your people, like
Correct.
product. People will ask me question about it. I'll answer them. So there are lots of
True.
things. I have to represent the brand properly. So you
Correct.
can
Right.
charge them actually, and that's how you can earn. And there are so many ways to earn. There are so many ways.
Yeah, Priyanka, we are already flowing with some questions. People are interested to know, I mean, your journey. And
I
one of the
can't see any
questions, yeah,
questions.
I am seeing it. I'll help you with all the questions. Don't worry. There's Srilata
Thank you
Murthy
so
who,
much, whoever joined the live. Thank you so much for seeing me and listening to me. That means a lot to me, seriously.
yeah, yeah. There's a question from Srilata Murthy. She's asking, how long does it typically take to build a good following?
To take,
How long does it take to build a good following?
okay. So it depends on your creativity. Okay. Instagram is all about decorating your feed. How are you representing yourself and brand? As I told you, for starter, stick to one genre. Like if you are interested in beauty, just stick to it. Just work for it. And as I told you, I started 1 year, 2 months maybe. 1 year, 2 months ago, and I have 37K followers right now. I had only, like I had an Instagram account when I was 18, I guess. I opened my first Instagram account, and that time I used to post selfies and college life, that this kind of thing. So I had 500 followers like this. So that's how I grew up from there. Like once I started posting about fashion, people used to like my pictures and following me for more contents because do one thing:
Yeah.
be unique, make your own style, make your own statement. Like right now there are lots of people doing these things. So you need to be unique with your creativity, and if you're good at these whatever you are doing, you will get the following and fame, because it's not that hard. If you are putting efforts on your work, they will notice you. Obviously you will get the fame, because see, it's been like 1 year. I have 37K followers, and I am doing pretty much good in my field right now. So yeah, all
Yeah.
you
Okay.
have to do is believe in yourself and do it.
Yeah, Priyanka, there's another question already flowing in from Siddesh Palkar. He's asking, what should be the frequency of a blog or a post? How frequently should you post to become an influencer?
So I'll suggest one thing: post regular. Post regular. At least once a week, go live from your Instagram. Because when people are following you, they are expecting something from you. You need to communicate with your followers. It doesn't matter if you have 100K followers or only 5,000 followers. If 5,000 people are following you, maybe there are like 1,000 people wants to talk to you. So if you are posting something about coronavirus, okay, you are posting something about it, someone didn't get you, they just texted you on DM. They, what you told us, just can you explain me? Reply him or her. Just talk to them. Like, don't think that I am above them. Never forget your roots. Okay. First, when you are starting this kind of thing, I was very frequent. I used to post every day, and I used to go live at least once a week. And then right now, I am very busy with works and I have my classes. So right now I
Yeah.
can't do much, but during lockdown I'm going also live and I'm posting regularly. Sometimes it doesn't really, happen. I had to shoot, and
Yeah.
there is a thing called I have to make things perfect. So
Yeah. I
just because
understand
I'm
completely.
having a good amount of audience right now, and I should post something good and productive every day. So I'll
Correct.
tell
Correct.
you, if you are starting, just post every day, and each content, make each content different from others. It's not that
Okay.
you posted something, suppose I'm wearing this dress, I'm promoting this one. I just posted one picture. And again tomorrow I'm posting wearing same dress with another post. Don't do it. Just post a picture wearing one dress and next picture wearing another dress, and try to give a message through your picture, or just write a very, catchy caption. It's not always about the picture. Sometimes, you guys post HD quality pictures, riding BMWs. It doesn't really work. You need to reach out to your audience. They need to relate themselves to you. So
True.
this is the
True.
thing. Post
Yeah. Cool.
regularly.
Priyanka, I'll give you an opportunity also to share this stream on your Facebook page as well. You can take this opportunity right now to maybe share the stream on your Facebook page as well. And maybe what I can do is that also ask whatever viewers are watching, all of us, that please share this on your stream so that everybody can be inspired by Priyanka's story of being a social media influencer. Yeah. Okay. Priyanka, should we take the next question?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Uh,
really don't know how to share it on my page. I don't
No
understand.
problems. I think you can just maybe you can later on share that post because this will come completely as a video, and then you can also share that
Okay, I'll
later.
do that. Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
There's a question from Shalini that does social media influencer roles at this point of time give you a full time kind of a situation, or is it should be started with a part time and then take it on as a full time role? What is your suggestion to people?
So, this social media thing, it's a new thing. When I was young, I never thought I'll do that. Okay. I studied microbiology. My subject was microbiology honors. So I'm graduated last year. Then I told my parents that, I want to do something for myself. Give me some time. And I asked my parents to give me 1 year to explore myself, because I am also a classical dancer. So, as a child, we have different dreams. Someone wants to become doctor, someone wants to become engineer, and all. So, where I come from, I never expect that I'll become a social media influencer. So here's the thing. Uh, you can first stick to your study. Maybe you are studying right now something, you have your own dreams. You thought you will become someone, like, do this kind of thing. You can start right now these things, like you can start your own blog, and then you can do things through Instagram. You can do it, and after some days when you see it, you are growing, and brands are coming, you are earning a very good amount of money also, because this is also important. If you are leaving your career because of the social media influencing thing, you need to assure you are getting the money from it.
Okay.
For me, it's not my fully profession. I don't want it to be, okay, because I have my own dreams. I come from a science background, and I really thought one day I'll go for PhD, and I know that I thought, but I'm not going to, and not anymore. I'm
Okay.
studying other things also. I really don't want to leave my studies, because पढ़ाई की कोई लिमिट नहीं होती,
Correct.
चीजें जानने की कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. So if you are a social media influencer, that doesn't mean you don't need any other knowledge. So
True.
do your study. I'll say, don't think that that is a profession. And I'll give you some name. Like, there are so many bloggers having 1 million followers, and all from India. There's so many bloggers, and they are earning a lot per month, because वो लोग वहां पे reach कर गए. Okay,
Correct.
so that means you have to reach there first. They also, you like, if you see their struggle now, they also did some kind of a job, a private job, and then they left it.
True, true.
So you can do it.
Yeah, Priyanka, there's a one question that one of our viewer asked, that that's one of the big questions in everybody's mind. I mean, if I become an influencer, how much should I charge for a post? Maybe could you elaborate some numbers, because it will be interesting for our audience to know that how much to charge for a post, maybe how much to charge for a maybe a video or a photo, something like that. Could you share some details?
So here's the thing: if you are an influencer, or maybe you are budding, or the thing, so you always charge on the basis of the content. Like, like a feed post, a static post, a picture holding the product post, you charge different money for it, and for a video post, you charge different money, because posting a video, capturing the video, then editing it takes lots of efforts and time, of course. So you need to charge a high amount money for a video and a low amount for photo. And then comes to your follower, like how much follower you have. Sometimes, brands also have their limits. If you are having 10K followers, they'll only pay you 1K, not more than that. So brand has their limits. But what I do, set your own limit. Like, you rate yourself. You click a picture or make a good content and post it on Instagram, and then check it and tell yourself, what should I charge for it? Then set your limit. I won't work if they are paying less amount than that. That's what I do. When I had 5K followers, I also did, because my contents are not something, I'm holding the products and clicking a selfie. No, I always, like, content matters to me. Each post matter to me. So yeah, set your own charge. Okay, if you are like, you can take 1K for a post for starter. Don't do it for 200 or 400. This I think that's a disrespect for our profession. So there are so many people does this, like, mostly teenagers are doing this kind of stuff. Don't do it. Just respect yourself, then others will respect you.
Okay.
That's what I
Uh,
do. Set your own
yeah.
chart.
Okay. Priyanka, there's one question from Mithilesh Dikshit, that there's a very, I mean, a very important question, that how do you handle trolls, and how do you handle some people who try to harass and the women online and stuff like that? I'm pretty sure that you being an influencer, still you face the same situation online. So how do you handle the trolls and people who try to harass?
So here's the thing: I'm a kind of person who doesn't, like to deal with negativity. I really don't like it. It upsets me a lot. Like, a lot. It really hampers my mental health sometimes. And in Instagram, I would say, like, मैंने कभी experience किया नहीं. I experienced some bullies, but then, uh, I used to be very impulsive, but maybe I'm growing. That's why I'm, more patience होती जा रही हूँ. So पहले पहले जब वो लोग ऐसे करते थे, I used to take a screenshot and post a story. Report this person, he is bullying me, or replying him, like, this paragraph and that. After
True.
that, I noticed those guys are like those who are bullying they don't have much knowledge about your profession. That's why they're doing this. They're
True.
watching you, like, you are growing good, and they're just jealous. Why? Like, why this is happening to you, not me? So I really noticed this, like, some this month, maybe starting of this month, someone texted me, why you do so much makeup? You maybe you don't like your face must be very ugly, that is why you do too much of makeup. So if that's his mentality, I really need to rethink about his education, of course, because you need to respect each human being. Okay, so he doesn't have the sense, and that time I actually replied him, and he needed that. Sometimes people do stuffs like this to a popular blogger or celebrities to catch the limelight. And what I'll suggest you, don't give them. Don't give them the limelight. Just block them or report their profile. And sometimes what you can do, just post a story and tell your followers to report this account,
Okay,
because
cool.
you can't really handle them, because there are too many and they can actually make fake profiles and this kind of stuff.
True,
So it
true.
will happen. And while haters are coming, just realize one thing: you are going good. I
Good, good.
realized it. If people are not noticing you, nothing will come. That means people are noticing you, okay, and
True.
people are coming.
Right,
So
right.
yeah, don't demotivate yourself first of all. And I used to get so much upset about it because I don't like negative vibes. I really hate it. I
I
can't deal
appreciate.
with it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I can understand. I mean, whatever you are handling, and it's a good thing. There are a few questions. There are also some appreciations. Shubhangi Bharti says that it also needs a lot of courage to be in this field. It's not easy to post online every day and also deal with haters. So that's the one positive comment that we've also received. While other questions, that's a big compliment to you. There's one question that Srilata Murthy has asked, that on an average, how much time do you invest in a week to maintain this Instagram influencer position for yours?
So recently, I'm studying for UPSC exam. So there's an institution in Calcutta. So I'm studying there. So I have class like every day. Sunday is only the free day for me, and I have to attend the class. And then I came home, and I have my own studio set up right now in my home. First I had nothing, but recently I did that. So yeah, I'm working for some other platforms. Okay, there are so many platforms, like there are so many platforms, like one is Trail. I'm on Trail, so I make videos for them and they pay me. Depends on my video quality. We dealt like that. They pay me. So like I shoot in a week. At least 4 5 days in a week I shoot.
Okay, good, good. That sounds
Yeah,
good. I
and
mean,
during this lockdown, products aren't coming, and you must know. You check my stories. There are products coming for me, and I have to use them first. Then I have to review them, because
correct.
I don't play this game. If I'm not using the product, I'm not going to review it. And if I'm
True.
not liking
True.
the product, I won't take the work. So that's
Yeah.
how I do this. Be real, and I give a lot of time these days. So yeah, I do it. Even one thing, when I first started things, now my parents didn't know about it.
Okay, that's interesting story.
That was so hard for me, and it was hard for them as well, because I was studying microbiology and that was too tough. And I was supposed to go for MSc, leave for MSc, like in other institution, which is not in Calcutta. So which I didn't. I somehow managed my parent, and right now things are pretty much good between us. Like my ma helps me a lot with my shoots. There are shadis coming for me. I have to shoot pictures. So she sometimes clicks my pictures, my videos. So that's how she does this. And I, like she helps me a lot. That's how I can do it. And then I have to manage it. It's tough, but we can do anything if we have the
Yeah,
courage.
and I think
Sometimes I feel so tired also, and sometimes it's very हेक्टिक फॉर मी. बहुत टेंशन भी हो जाता है. मतलब सबमिशन का डेट रहता है. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, मैं बहुत सारा काम ले लेती हूँ एक साथ. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई थिंक. सो आई डू दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ एंड बहुत हेक्टिक भी हो जाता है. सो
yeah,
it's
I
really
think
hard. And I'll suggest you one thing: if you're in
yeah.
college studying some kind of stuff, just take little amount of work. Don't do it.
Priyanka, there's a question from Siddhesh Palkar, and he's talking about he saw the guitar in your background, and he's also a guitar enthusiast. So, what are your suggestions for him to become how to become an influencer in this area with his guitar?
I mean, if he, I don't get you properly. I mean, he wants to become an influencer using guitar or something.
Yes, yes.
So first thing I wanna tell you that this guitar over there, it's not mine. It's my brother's. So I am a kind of person. I like to explore myself. I am a professional classical dancer. I used to do Kathak. I have degree on it. And right now during lockdown, I was bored, and my brother has two guitars. So I told him to give one to me, and I am learning it. I started today morning. I am learning from YouTube. I'm learning it. It's just for myself, nothing else. And if you're asking for me how to use the guitar, so here's the thing: if you're, playing a guitar, then if you know the singing and all, what you can do, you can make some tune of your own. Okay, then you can post it online. Just check the response. If videos are going viral, if people are liking it, just make some tunes of your own. You can do it. Sometimes, there are so many people work for some kind of music company from home. They can, make the tune and give it to them the ideas. You guys know about guitar, like you have to write the tune and this kind of stuff. So people does this. You can do this too, but first of
Okay.
all, you won't get the opportunity on your first post. You need to post
Okay.
every day, make a tune, or you can use a Bollywood tune, like old tune into a guitar. You can make fusion thing. That's how you can do it. Just post it, yeah. Use
Yeah.
some hashtags, guitar music, and get some reach.
Yeah, cool. This is a good way. I think it's a good advice to Siddesh. There's one question that Shubhangi has asked, that how do you convince people on original content rather than copying people? So, what is your opinion on building original content compared to copying the content?
So here's the thing: if someone is copying your content, that means you are influencing them. I feel so happy if someone, I did a makeup and someone did it too, and posted a story and tagged me that, I am doing this makeup inspired by Priyanka. I feel so happy. I repost the story. So copying is not such a thing. If you are liking someone's content, you can make it to your own, but in a caption, just write inspired by that person. Give them
Okay.
a credit. That's how
Okay.
you can do it. It's a good thing, first when we start thing, we can't make our own brand at first.
Correct.
You can
Correct.
follow them. It's not a bad thing following someone. Okay, there are like, makeup gurus. We can recreate their look, so you can do it. Just give them a credit, and
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. There's one more question that there's somebody, there's Vineet who asked this question, that this is a very eternal question, that who do you think has easier on Instagram, the men or the women? According to you, who has it easy? What's your question? I'm putting you on the spot.
So I must tell you one thing. Recently from Calcutta, one male blogger just received blue tick, and this is not a matter of joke. He is a male blogger, and he posts about fashion and sometimes grooming, how to shape your beard, and that guy has so many followers. And it's not only, girls are like, you are so handsome on their comment section, and boys are actually asking him that, how you are trimming this, how you are doing this, can I use this product, can मेरा एक्ने हुआ है यहाँ पे, कौन सी फेस वॉश यूज करूँ, कैन यू सजेस्ट समथिंग. So obviously girls have the I won't deny that. Okay, I am so honest. Like I won't deny that girls have the benefit. They can easily attract followers. But one thing again, if your content is good, you can get it. I mean,
Cool.
there are so many people on Instagram. I can suggest you male blogger. They have fan following like anything. Like
Okay.
literally, boys are DMing them. How to pair this blazer with which shirt? Can you suggest me? And that's really great. People are like, interested in fashion, and really great.
Cool. Priyanka, there's one more question from Sunil Adhikari, and he's talked about the importance of hashtags. Can you give some tips for people, how to trend your hashtag, or maybe how to get my post more views and likes with hashtags? Please, guide.
So here's the thing. If you are posting something about beauty, put hashtag only about beauty. If you are posting a beauty picture and putting hashtag best food, these won't work. They will ban your picture. Like there are so many people doesn't know about it. There are so many hashtags. Those are bans also. Just search on Google that banned hashtags. So there are certain hashtags, those are banned. If you use those hashtags on your photos, your profile again, they'll क्या बोलते हैं उसे बंद कर देगी 1 वीक के लिए. तो ऐसे होता है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी हुआ है. So use relevant hashtag. Don't use too much, just relevant hashtags. And one more thing, if you are using a set of hashtag, you are copying the hashtag on your next picture and pasting it.
Right.
Don't do it. Your engagement and your reach will suddenly drop like anything. So don't do it. Just use different kind of hashtags and relevant hashtags.
Yeah, cool. That's a big tip, I think, from an Instagram influencer, that don't copy paste your hashtags, and that's a one good thing that you just suggested. There's another question from Kumar. He's talking about how do brands approach people, or do influencers approach brands? How is it like? Because some of the brands I have seen associated with you are Daniel Wellington, Domino's, and some of the big brands. I have seen some of your stories. Could you give some people who are watching a little bit of tips on that, how to approach?
So here's the thing. If you like a brand, this is a big brand, you want to work with them, I'll say never DM a brand. Don't. It's my suggestion to you. Don't drop a DM. Just write a beautiful mail, to पहले वो ऐसे subject दो, subject की जगह, and then start like this. Hello, my name is Priyanka. I am a fashion blogger from Calcutta. Then write the mail. I am reaching out to you for collaboration. I want to showcase your product or review my product on my Instagram, and I have 37K followers. Here's my Instagram links, blog links, Facebook links, whatever link you have, just drop it like this. And lastly, you all know how to write a mail, right?
Correct,
Lastly,
correct.
I am thinking for a reply or something like that, nice, and then thankfully your name. So drop like this, make this official. If you are sending
Okay,
emails like this, brands will think, okay, this guy is educated. If
okay,
I give them an opportunity to work, I'll get a quality content.
correct,
And
correct,
again, brands will check your Instagram instantly. They
correct.
will look at your content, then your engagement.
Okay,
So here's the thing, brands are tricky. Sometimes they go for content. Like you are posting good content, they'll like it, they want it. But sometimes you are having very good engagement. Like आपके एक picture में 41,000 का likes है. लेकिन content is not good. Sometimes it happens. Content is not good. Sometimes people buy likes and all. So brand उनके साथ भी काम कर लेते हैं because of the engagement. And some brands, like well-known brands, are very good. They look for good content. And
okay,
as per Daniel Wellington, I can remember that was my third collab.
okay. That's so cool. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
that's
I
good to
suddenly
hear.
got the mail out of nowhere. And one thing, just when you are opening the Instagram account, put your mail ID properly. In your bio, DM DM for collab, or mail for collab. I always prefer mailing. I think it's a standard quality.
Okay, okay.
DMing a brand to work with you, it doesn't look professional. It
True,
doesn't.
true, true.
So drop
Okay,
your mail ID. Brand will mail you if your products. I mean, creativity is good if your feed is good. So I
okay.
got a mail from Daniel Wellington, and that was good because that was my third work with brand.
Cool,
And I
cool,
got
Priyanka.
so lucky with brands. I don't know, my first my first campaign was for Capsula. It's a shari and ethnic wear brand. That was paid. I had 5K followers that time, 5K only, and they actually paid me for my first ever campaign,
Oh,
and
that's
it
good.
was for hashtag Judge Me Not.
Cool.
Yeah, so I did it very well. After that, I like suddenly got a contract from Spoil. I was in a 3-month contract, I was
Cool.
working them for 3 months, and there was my store. Like whatever I'm wearing, like suppose I'm wearing this outfit from Spoil. If you buy this outfit, I'll get 10% of the amount, like main
Okay.
money. So that's how
Cool.
I earned a lot in 3 months from them. And yeah. And one more thing, if you are starting, there are so many apps, okay, for influencer marketing. There is Tag Mango, there is Cofluence, there is a website called Plixo, Winkle. So there are so many apps. You can install those apps on your phone and
Okay.
enter all of your data, like your Instagram link, Facebook link, your engagement chart. Like if you turn your profile into business account, you will get an insight chart. So
Correct.
sometimes brands ask for it. So if you
Okay.
submit all of the details and you have the app on your phone, whenever they are having like their PR agencies, okay, influencer marketing agencies, whenever
Correct.
they're having some kind of new campaign, they'll post about it. Then there
Okay.
will be an option apply for the campaign. You can actually apply for it, and some PR agencies does this, like charge amount. So आप अगर 1K charge किया, तो they'll contact you, they'll talk. Sometime brands negotiate, like 1K से
Okay.
नहीं होगा,
Right.
नहीं है. So that's how you can do it. It's not that
Okay.
hard these days. So you can install those apps, and Plixo is very good. I worked for two brands from Plixo. I worked for Vivel, that was from Plixo too. They actually like if you enter your name with all of the links, if they're having some kind of campaign, so they will mail you, invite you to apply on the campaign, and they'll
Yeah.
give you all the instructions. Just follow the rules, post it, and submit the post link, and then you'll get paid.
Yeah, it's very good, Priyanka. I think I got a comment from the Shubhangi that I think there's it's so honest enough to tell me all the tips and tricks of Instagram and try to get you self brand association. So really thankful, Priyanka. There's another question from Ganpati that can you give me a trick that how maybe a celebrity or a big influencer can follow me?
Okay, that's very hard. One trick you can do, if you are following someone, maybe you are following them for some reason. There must be a reason you are following someone. So you can do, if that person posting a picture wearing a fashionable outfit, you can recreate the picture. Okay, recreate the picture, make a collage with him, and post the picture. Tag him that I tried because I'm so inspired by you. One day I wanna reach there where you are right now. You are like inspiration to me. So you can do that. You can post the picture on your feed. If you get lucky, they might like the picture and follow you.
Cool, Priyanka. That's a good advice. There's one question that Priyanka, do you want to share some of the lessons that you have learned in the process of social media influencing that you would want the new people not to repeat? Maybe some mistakes that you made or some things that you have learned in the process of being an influencer that you are.
Yeah, there are so many things I learned.
Can you share some?
So one thing is, I used to be an extrovert, a introvert. I didn't like so much of people. मुझे बात करना अच्छा नहीं लगता नए नए लोगों से, and I used to be like, if someone is complimenting me, I was like, मैं रिप्लाई भी नहीं करती थी. मतलब if someone is saying on my face, you are looking so beautiful, I don't know what exactly to say them, and that is a bad thing. If you are an influencer, you need to talk to them, you need to connect with them. So I was
True.
very bad with connecting people. But recently I learned that lesson, and right now I have lots of friends from this industry, and they actually love me. And I had this phobia on my head, maybe they won't like me or something. So actually people likes me, and whenever they come, and in the morning I got a message from a girl. The hairstyle video I posted recently, she really liked it. She wanted to know where I from where I bought this clip, and that's really good. I replied her, and she really said, you are very sweet, thank you for replying me. That's the thing. Be humble, like never forget your roots. Be down to earth, just do it, and be a bubbly kind of person, and spread positive energy, because we all have negative things in our life. If
I'm pretty
a
sure.
person is watching my Instagram story, I want to give them a positive energy. I want to give them, I have thousand problems in my life, but I can keep them aside. I can see this makeup tutorial, and I can also make the makeup on my face. Then this will make me happy. So you can do it. Just put a big smile, talk to everyone. That's a good thing.
Yeah, that's excellent, Priyanka. I mean, you spread positivity, and that's a good thing in such times of COVID. There's one question I saw from somebody who's come up talking about cyber security. I mean, I'm pretty sure your Instagram account with so many followers and stuff could be prone to hacking, and maybe that's you keep it more. I mean, in safe some of, than the jewelry that you have at home. So, I mean, do you have some tips for cybersecurity of keeping your account safe?
Yeah. Yeah, there is a security when you check the settings. There is authentication option. You can tie up your mobile number with your Instagram in a way no one can hack your Instagram account. Okay, if they are trying to hack, you will get a message, a code. They will need the message. Like there will be a code to hack your
Okay.
profile. They will be needing a code. If they don't get it, you can't. And there's an app also for the authentication. If someone is trying to hack, your app will buzz recently. You can also do that, but I recently, not recently, I did this 5 months ago. I also didn't know about it. So
Yeah.
secure your profile like this, and no one will be able to hack it. And
Okay.
if
Cool.
hacker does, there are so many hackers like that. It does, but I really feel if you do this, there is a setting. You can check afterwards. There's a setting on your Instagram account.
Yeah.
So if you do that, I think no one can ever hack your profile. And
Okay.
also, yeah,
Yes.
because recently I attended an event born on Instagram. Like there were that was a Instagram event, and I am I was like on cloud nine because it was so good. Even I am in touch with one member of their team. I can from like few bloggers from Calcutta. They chose us. I don't know. They just call us and talk about Instagram. So if I'm having any kind of issues regarding Instagram, maybe my actions are blocked or maybe kind of thing, I can call her this time. So
Okay.
yeah.
That sounds good. Priyanka, just before we take the last question, because I'm pretty sure that you have also another lives as well as a live on your channel as well to go. So before we take the last
No, it's
question,
very good. People are asking question and people are interested. That's
yeah,
really great.
yeah, I want to give you an opportunity to maybe share with all of our audiences. I mean, on what profiles? I mean, on what social media profiles you are there? I mean, are you on TikTok? Are you on Instagram and Facebook? And where can people find you and follow you?
So my Instagram is my I'm all about the Instagram. I always I'm on Instagram. So yeah, I recently opened an YouTube channel. So अभी बहुत ज़्यादा post नहीं किया, so I'm thinking to post it. And I already did a unboxing video, but I can't really post it because people won't be able to buy it right now because they
Correct.
are not
Correct.
taking orders. So I am unable to post this kind of stuff. So I have a YouTube account. You guys can follow me there. I have pretty much amazing stuff. I also want to make some videos on how to make, like how to become an influencer. I'm also thinking about that
Okay.
question answer series, because last time I was live with another blogger, and she was like doing this for 6 years now. So that
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
That,
So I
that
was
that's
live. If
great.
you follow me on Instagram, there are lots of interesting stuff I'm doing there. I go live with other creators. I talk about some stuff. So you can follow me on Instagram, on my Facebook page. I always post on my Facebook page, of course,
Yeah.
and I'm posting regularly new content, and I'm reviewing products like skincare products, or dress, any website, new website you wanna try dress. Before that, you wanna see actually how many people are buying it, and those who are buying it, how is it? So you can
Yeah.
follow me on
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah, there's one question before we take the last one. There's one question from Sunil asking: is there an Instagrammer that you idolize, or you have on your
Ah.
mind that I want to be like that person? You have? Do you have anyone?
There's so many, first of all, because if you see some big bloggers, they are doing so much great things. And I can still remember when I was just a college girl, I was nothing. I used to follow Shreya Jain, that boho girl, Kritika Khurana. She's my ultimate favorite because she is kind of a soul. She always spreads positive energy and bubbly kind of stuff, and she never hides anything. She's so honest with everything. You can relate yourself with her. So I follow her a lot. I'm also doing this kind of stuff. You can actually relate yourself to me. I don't have a perfect toned body. Whatever I am मैं उसी से उसी को promote कर रही हूँ. I'm doing this. So it's not that आपको इन्फ्लुएंसर होने के लिए एकदम परफेक्ट बॉडी परफेक्ट लुक चाहिए. Nothing like that. So whatever you have, cherish it. So yeah,
Okay.
I love Kritika Khurana and Shreya Jain, and there is Larissa and so many other people. They are
Yeah.
also
Cool,
very good.
Priyanka. This, I mean, we just put your Instagram handle in the chat as well. That I mean, people can follow. It's
Yeah,
Priyanka at the rate. It's Priyanka is her handle on Instagram. You can
yeah,
check that out.
guys.
Yeah.
Follow
Just
me.
final.
If you have any queries, you can DM me. I always reply to my DMs. That's not
Yeah,
an issue.
and yeah, just final question from our side. I mean, the guys at Step Up wanted to arrange this one because there are young minds on our audience who want to know that really how they should proceed, how they can utilize this empty time as well to maybe channelize into some productive influencer profiles. So, what would be your final advice? That's my last question, and I think we are running out of time as well. Last advice to all young people for the topic of social media influence.
See, you are young right now. There is lots of things to do in your life. So I'll say never stop. Explore yourself. You will be surprised what you can do actually. So I am surprised right now. I was a nerd in my college school. I was totally a nerd. I used to study all day. I never knew about makeup and this kind of stuff. So right now, if you check my profile, you can see I'm doing some incredible things. I'm really proud of it because I was never like that.
Okay.
So explore yourself, there are lots of opportunities. Just grab them. You see, I am learning guitar right now.
True.
Can you
It's
believe
so
that?
good.
I'm doing that
It's good.
too. So
Yeah, it's
that's
really
it.
nice,
Like,
Priyanka.
never stop yourself. Never limit yourself. But one thing again, if you are studying in college, I'll suggest फर्स्ट पढ़ाई कर लो बेटे फिर डू एनीथिंग एल्स पढ़ाई इज टोटली इम्पोर्टेंट आई एम स्टिल स्टडिंग आई really appreciate if you study and do this stuff matlab you can do this as a professionally but don't leave your study for that just
Okay.
graduate हो लो पहले फिर do it
Okay. There's one
and
last.
then you
Yeah.
can
Yes.
choose your genre. I was
Yeah.
talking about genre. If you want to do it, then choose your genre. Like, what are you good at? You are good at makeup. Make your profile all about makeup. Do unique stuff and make a fan base. This is important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Priyanka, it was great hearing you and all our fans. I think we got one other comment from Payal. She says a lot of love from Assam and Kolkata. And she's
Oh,
also one of your followers, I guess. And so just wanted to convey that to you because you're not able to see the comments here. And we'd
yeah, I
like to
can't.
thank, I mean, people from Step Up would like to thank you, and special thanks from my side as well to give so much information and also insider information. I mean, not everybody wants to give away the some tricks and tricks of their business as well. So it's really great that you spend so much time. And finally, thank you so much. We'd like to end this live here. And my
Yeah.
advice: follow Priyanka on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, as well as I think YouTube channel as well. So, and also don't forget to follow us at Step Up Consultants. Yeah. Thank you so much, Priyanka, for your time. And here we leave
Thank
you.
you so much for having me. I really enjoy it. And, as I told you, if I'm influencing some young minds, that's a good opportunity for me. I really love that. So, yeah, thank you so much for having me. I really enjoyed the evening.
Thank you so much. That's our time. Having please enjoy your dinner now, and thank you so much everyone for joining in and sending your good comments. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.